Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Settings and navigating straight to Language and Input. This puts you where Keyboard options live. Tap Virtual Keyboard or Smart Input, then choose the Vivo keyboard entry to access customization. Once done, make sure you have the photo ready in your gallery, ideally cropped to roughly 16:9 for best fit. You don't need third-party apps yet. Stay inside System Settings, so changes apply immediately, and avoid permission prompts later. You now pick Theme or Background and tap Gallery to choose your image. This is where the how matters. Select a clear photo and crop to highlight the keyboard area. Once you crop, adjust transparency so keys remain legible and tweak key contrast to avoid low-contrast typing errors. Make sure to preview while toggling settings. The preview shows real-time results. If letters are hard to see, increase contrast or choose a simpler photo. This avoids frustrating typos later. You finish by tapping Apply or Save, then immediately open Messages or Notes to test typing. This confirms alignment and readability. If keys overlap or text is faint, return to the background settings to recrop, lower brightness, or increase key contrast. Small tweaks fix most issues. If the keyboard fails to change, ensure the keyboard app has storage and gallery permissions, and as a last resort, reset keyboard settings to default. This clears misconfigurations while preserving other phone settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.